Hello, wordsmiths. It is I, Don Figaro, the charming and mysterious barber who knows nothing of vocabulary. Did I fool you? I am no Don Figaro at all, but in fact, just regular David, who is not a barber, but I have just engaged in this video's word, deception. I am certain you fell for it. You see, to deceive someone, for that's the verb form, deceive, is to trick them. Deception, a noun, means a trick. Lies. Usually it's a bad thing unless you want to be deceived, like when you're watching a stage magician. But otherwise, yeah, if you're engaging in deception, you're swindling someone, you're tricking them, you're misleading them. This word comes from the Latin decidere, to cheat, to take someone in. The prefix "di" means down or from, and capere means to take, and the way we see it in English is usually as sept or cap, a brutal word. But that makes sense. It's brutally unkind to trick someone. What other words do you see lurking in those word parts? What are some related words? I'll put on some music. You take 10 seconds to pull some words out of your magic hats. All right. Here's a few I thought of, all using that cap or sept root. Intercept, to capture, to grab in midair. Capture itself also comes from capere. That's a bonus word for you. Capable, describing someone who can do something, who can grasp the idea and follow through. And conceive, to come up with something, to invent or create. Okay, I'm not going to use deception in any sentences today. That's the end of the video. Thanks very much. Ho ho, I have done it again. Long have I practiced the art of deception. I'm just joshing you. Let's use deceive or deception in a few sentences. "Oh, false one, you have deceived me," is a quotation from a very silly play called The Pirates of Penzance, and it is inevitably what I think of when I think of this word. One character has tricked another, and now the character who has been tricked has a whole song about it. If you deceive someone, they will sing an angry song at you later. That is just a law of musical theater. Another sentence. "Disguised as a cactus, the spy was familiar with the art of deception." You see, she's disguised as a cactus so that she can trick people. Maybe they'll be extra unguarded around the cactus, reveal some deep, dark secrets. I apologize for repeatedly tricking you in this video, wordsmiths. It is unbecoming of me. I will not do it again, unless there is another word about being sneaky and underhanded, in which case, yes, I will probably try to deceive you again in my expert fashion, but you'll figure it out. After all, you can learn anything. Don Figaro, out. Oh, boom, got him. Oh, he got him this time, David. Boom.